I'm going to show you how to install a mod to get infinite money on Lethal Company. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. All you need to do is go to thunderstore.io and get the Thunderstore app, which is a mod manager. Click on get app and then download. So once you have it, you need to open it. In my case, I have it installed already. So once you open it, you will see something like this, where you need to search for the game, which is Lethal Company. Click on select game and create a new profile. Name it however you want, for example, Lethal Company modded, and create. Select this profile, and now we are gonna install the mod. So click on get mods, and then you need to install BPNext pack because it's required for most of the mods. So do that and then search for money, and I recommend you to sort it by download count. So you can download this one, for example, that will let you have more money at the start of a new game. You can configure this however you want, but if you want just infinite money, you can download this one. So click on download and download with dependencies, and now you will see you have the mods right here. This is required for the infinite money mod, so it will be installed as well. And after that, you can also disable or enable them whenever you don't want to use that mod. And to run the game with mods, you need to do it from Thunderstore and click on modded. So now Lethal Company will start running with mods, and let's see how it looks like in the game. So now I just joined a game, and if I go to a terminal, you can see I have a lot of money, so I can complete any level or buy whatever I want on the store. So that's it. That's the process you need to follow if you want to have infinite money on Lethal Company. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.